Hello everyone, my name is Swan Thao. I am with the Gwinnett County Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Vietnamese Opo squash soup with shrimp. It's also called canh bầu nấu tôm in Vietnamese. The ingredients are 1 Opo squash, also called long squash, half pound of peeled shrimp, 3 scallions, handful of cilantro, fish sauce to taste, olive oil, pepper, and salt. First, we need to marinate the shrimp with pepper, about half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon with salt. And then you just marinate and put aside for about 10 minutes. Oh, also scallion. You chop the white part and you marinate with the shrimp as well. So you put this aside. In the meantime, you prepare the squash. You peel off the skin of the squash. After peeling this squash, you need to wash it and cut into triangle pieces. That's how you do. It's very fast. And you continue to finish this. After the shrimp are marinated for 10 minutes and the Opo squash is cut into triangular pieces, let's cook them. Put 2 tablespoons of oil into the pot on high heat. And add the shrimp that you already marinated and stir fry the shrimp for 2 minutes. And then put on the Opo squash that you already cut into a pot and stir fry with the shrimp for about 7 to 10 minutes. Keep stir frying the squash and shrimp for 10 minutes and then add water, about 4 cups of water. I prefer hot water because it's cooked quicker. Cover the lid and wait until it is boiling. While we're waiting for the soup is boiling, we chop the green onion part that you cut off the white part to marinate the shrimp. So these are left over. You just chop them to put in the soup at the end. This is cilantro. Now the squash is boiling. I let it boil for 5 minutes. And then add fish sauce to taste. I add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Let's see how it tastes. After boiling for 5 minutes and you add fish sauce to taste, it tastes very good. Now you can turn off the stove and the soup is ready to serve. Now you can add cilantro and green onion and ground pepper. This soup will be served with rice or bread. Opo squash is extremely low in calorie and provides vitamin B, C, calcium, iron, and zinc. It's also rich in fiber and believed to help with healthy digestion. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it.